Hello everyone. In this Power Automate session, we will discuss another example, that is how we can delete all rows from the SharePoint list. For this, we will navigate to the Power Automate. So this is our SharePoint list, that is the product list, which contains around 11 items, and we want to delete all the items from this list automatically. So for this, we will use Power Automate. Now let's move on to the Power Automate and create one instant cloud flow that will trigger manually. So for this, I will provide flow name, delete all rows, and click on manually trigger a flow, then click on create. Now we will switch to classic designer. Once it gets switched to classic designer, manually trigger a flow action is added to the flow place. In the next new step, we will get all the items from the SharePoint list. For this, we will search for get items action and select the get items action. Here we will provide the site address of the list, that is TSInfo Tech Developer, and then provide the list name. Select the list name, that is product list. Now we will delete all the items from the SharePoint list. So here we are getting the items, and the next step we will delete the items. So search for delete items action. So select the delete item action, provide the site address, then provide the list name, that is product list, and then select the ID from the dynamic content. When we select the ID, it will add apply to each action to the flow, because we are working on multiple items in the SharePoint list. Why we need to delete the items from the SharePoint list is sometimes we don't need those items which are not required, because it takes the storage capacity as well. So to optimize the storage capacity, we need to delete the items from the SharePoint list which are not required. So now we will save this flow. Once the flow is saved, we will click on test button, then click on manually, then click on test button, then click on continue, then click on run flow, then click on done. Here you can see our flow is running. Once the flow runs successfully, we will go to the product list and we will refresh this page. Once the page is refreshed, here you can see all the items or rows are deleted from the product list. So this is how we can delete all the rows from the SharePoint list. So that's all for today. We will see you on next video, where we will see how we can save the email attachment in the OneDrive for Business. Thank you so much for watching.